morning, guys. We are going to another national park today. Our day 4 in Yellowstone. This is called Grand Teton National Park. Today is also a special day because it's our 1-year wedding anniversary. We both woke up very happy. Very long drive. Will take us 3 hours. तो आज तो पूरा दिन हम लोग का जाने वाला है. So we have packed enough food. यहाँ पे इतने सारे restaurants नहीं है. So make sure that you take an Airbnb which has a kitchen so that you can prepare your own food. We got our coffee. Now we are heading to Grand Teton National Park. See you guys very soon. Bye bye. Have reached Grand Teton National Park and यहाँ पे the नज़ारा is very beautiful. You guys should see this. देखते हैं यहाँ पे ड्रोन उड़ाने का पॉसिबिलिटीज है कि नहीं. ऑथराइजेशन रिक्वायर्ड. कोई बात नहीं, चलो लेट्स टेक अ पिक्चर.
This is how we are planning to take our picture.
This is the starting of Grand Teton National Park. We took some pictures over here. This is me, Rahul Chavan and Geetika Rimalpuri, and we'll keep on updating you guys. कहाँ पे हम लोग स्टॉप ले रहे हैं, क्या खा रहे हैं, क्या देख रहे हैं. Anyways, we'll wrap up here. We are already out of time. बहुत लेट हो गया, बहुत लंबा ड्राइव था. Yeah, we are running late to our spots. Excited for this national park. It's something different, something we planned randomly or we just went for it. Why? We took our first stop, Oxbow Bend. There's some information if you want to read it. बहुत ही ज़्यादा मैजिकल है. Beauty. And then this is our car. Now we are going to our next spot. भूख लग रही है तेरे को? So हम लोग क्या करते हैं, like find a spot जहाँ पे we can stop, have our lunch pack. Scenic spot पे we stop, have the scenic view in front of us. गाड़ी में बैठ के we'll put our series which is Matka King. We'll watch the series, eat our food and have the nice view in front of us. So that's our date lunches that we do during our trips. I don't think so we have recorded any of our lunches, but अभी जो हम लोग lunch break लेंगे, I'll record something for you guys. So we are wrapping up from Oxbow Bend. The next spot is Snake River Overlook. Basically मुझे लगता है कि ये जो मेन टीटॉन माउंटेन्स है उसका ही अलग अलग डायरेक्शन से there are view points and we are just going over there. Just like Mahabaleshwar, like एक ही Monkey Point and बाकी सारे points है. वैसे ही इसमें there are multiple points. There are a couple of hikes as well. We have decided to skip those. We are just going to explore all the viewpoints and then I guess 2-3 viewpoint के बाद we'll have our lunch. See you in the next spot. That was the Snake River Overlook. We had a clear view of Teton Mountains. Basically, एक snake के shape पे river was flowing. That is why this spot is called as Snake Overlook. Snake River Overlook. Next stop, we are going to bathroom. We need to go, and then we will head to our third spot. I don't know what it is. So the next spot is Jenny Lake. So we'll check that out. You should definitely come over here if you are visiting Yellowstone. Visit this national park. It is a must on your list. You can't skip this Teton National Park. You should do it. You will do it. I recommend that you do it.
Do it.
Just do it, man. Abhi ke abhi. We've reached Jenny Lake. We'll have our lunch now. This is the parking spot and हम लोग ने यहाँ पे ही park किया and this is the entrance way to go to Jenny Lake. So ऐसे we have packed our lunch. Avocado, chicken and rice with a view of Jenny Lake. पहले की एक knife लिए, उसको काटिए, अच्छे से काटिए and slice it open. Take this one. Now you have to cut in small pieces, like vertical lines, lombo lines. Lombo lines is important. You scoop it out. Take a spoon, scoop out the avocado. Look at this beauty. That's how you scoop an avocado. Bon appetit, guys. खाना खाकर हम जाएंगे Jenny Lake. Let us finish the food, watch the Matka King and head to Jenny Lake. We have decided to hike on Jenny Lake. We have no idea कि कितने मिनट का hike है. इतना लंबा hike है. लंबा है.
Yeah.
We'll also record some Jenny Lake videos. We are walking on this trail and it seems कि यहाँ पे bear attacks होता है. Here is Gitika से hi. We are supposed to carry bear spray जो कि हम लोग के पास नहीं है. YOLO नहीं? Let's go guys. We are done with the Jenny Lake hike. हम लोग ने पूरा hike तो नहीं किया, but to walk around an hour. It was actually scary because everybody was carrying bear spray and we didn't have any. It was a bit scary, but we anyhow did it and we came back and now we have decided to go to Idaho Falls. It's like a 2-hour drive. And Geetika is driving. We have a coffee break which is in 40 minutes. So the plan is go to Idaho Falls. वहाँ पे हम लोग around 5:30, 5:45 पहुंचेंगे. Watch the falls and head back home. Geetika, do you want to add anything? हिंदी में चेपंडी.
अभी बहुत लंबा ड्राइव है, 2 घंटा और 10 मिनट, 1.5 घंटा,
2.5 घंटा.
मैंने कभी सुना नहीं. 2.5 hours का ड्राइव है. आधा घंटे में एक स्टॉप लेंगे, कॉफी पिकअप करेंगे, कंटिन्यू करेंगे ट्रिप को. अभी के लिए गेट इनफ ऑफ दिस व्यू एंड टीटॉन इज डेफिनेटली अ मस्ट विजिट.
Check out this view. Beautiful, beautiful Grand Teton Mountains. Beauty. We are here at Idaho Falls. Behind me is the Idaho Falls. We just parked our car right over there and the falls is right over here. Pretty easy. कोई hike वाइक करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. Best part about is ये कोई isolated location में ही नहीं है. It is within the city. There is a trail built around the falls. Pretty scenic. Town भी बहुत ही cute है. Now we have 3 hours to go back. 3 hours of drive. It's going to be hectic. मैंने 3 Red Bull उठा लिए है.
Only 1 hour 45 minutes.
1 hour 45 minutes.
Yeah.
तो मेरे का ड्राइव कम है. That's not bad. That's not bad. So the plan is guys कि Idaho में बहुत सारे Indian restaurants हैं. Hey, can we take naan also? To go.
Oh yeah.
है ना?
कर सकते हैं.
नान लेके जाएंगे. हम लोग अभी इंडियन रेस्टोरेंट ढूंढ रहे हैं. चाय पियेंगे. वी हैव चिकन करी दैट वी मेड एट होम इन आवर एयरबीएनबी. यहाँ से नान उठाकर, राइस उठाकर वी कैन गो बैक हैव दैट चिकन करी. चाय इज इम्पोर्टेंट गाइस. चाय इज इम्पोर्टेंट. द रेस्टोरेंट नेम इज हिमालयन फ्लेवर आइडाहो फॉल्स. मैंने एक एक्चुअल जोक बता.
एलिफेंट एंड एंट जोक बताओ. एलिफेंट ने बोला एंट को कि तू सा है मेरे सामने और मैं तेरे को 1 सेकंड में स्मैश कर सकती हूँ. एंट ने बोला मैं तेरे नाक में घुस सकती हूँ, तू मेरे नाक में घुस सकती है क्या? साथ देगा तू. ये जोक में साथ नहीं दिया तू.
ये नहीं बोलूँगा. ये कट कर देना एडिटर. कट दिस पार्ट. कट दिस पार्ट. This is our last day of our Yellowstone amazing trip. It was my birthday and our anniversary trip and it was amazing. Time has finally come to leave this Airbnb and say goodbye to Yellowstone. Geetika, tell me how was your experience? हिंदी में बता. हिंदी में बता.
मुझे बहुत पसंद आया येलोस्टोन और ग्रैंड टीटॉन.
Idaho Falls.
आइडाहो फॉल्स ऑल्सो मैं बहुत रिकमेंड करूँगी लोगों को. देखना चाहिए ये सारे प्लेसेस और बहुत मज़ा आता है. और बेस्ट पार्ट ऑफ द ट्रिप इज स्पॉटिंग वाइल्ड लाइफ.
हिंदी
जंगल के जानवर को देखने में मजा आया.
ट्रिप पे हम लोग ने 3 स्टेट्स कवर किए. आइडाहो, वायोमिंग, Montana. My favorite was Grand Teton.
Mine is also Grand Teton. Too beautiful,
Yeah.
and we have never seen such beautiful snowy mountains up close, and with those sharp peaks they have. It's something different, and it's very unique and beautiful. तो तेलुगु में बोल.
हिंदी में बोलना है. हिंदी और The trip comes to an end. A lot of memories to take with us. back to Arizona. Flight is around 2 p.m. 4 p.m. This would be our end to this vlog or video of Yosemite travel.
Yosemite कहाँ से एक बार भी एक बार
I'll do it again. This would be end to our Yellowstone travel vlog. Next trip is coming soon to go to Colorado. That would be a fun trip. It is a road trip. So I'm excited for that as well. I'm looking forward to it. Till then, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Stay tuned for more travel videos. There would be other videos posted as well, but stay tuned.
Yeah, show us some love, guys.
Bye.
So we are on our flight back. We had a layover in. Can you camera shake? Why are you laughing? बता क्या हंसने की बात क्या है? बहुत शर्मिंदा बॉय है, शर्मिंदा. We will be landing at 11 p.m. and we are so excited to just get back home and have what? Cut that.
In 1 hour, we are reaching home.
Yeah.
No, we're not. But this is the end to our video vlog to our Yosemite trip.
योसेमिटी नहीं है भाई. ये पूरा ट्रिप योसेमिटी में ही जी रहा था ये.
Yellowstone trip.
पीला पत्थर बोल बोल के घर पे.
Okay. So this is the end. This is the end to our.
योसेमिटी.
This is the end to our Yellowstone trip.
Editor, please do a good job.
Yeah, I will. And enjoy, live, laugh, and subscribe to the channel. Bye.
Bye guys.
हिंदी में बोल.